So now I'll show you the Airbnb and the room tour. So this is Water's Edge, building 1, apartment 118, and let's check out how it is. So as soon as you enter, you see this beautiful hall and dining table, and on the left side you have fridge, oven, and you get some water bottles here. Here's washing area, a coffee maker, and some complimentary stuff. This is the stove, and salt and pepper are here. So this is the beautiful dining table you get, and look at the hall. Wow, it's just amazing. And here you get the balcony view of parking. It's a bit hot there, so I'm not opening this. And this beautiful mirror here, and a TV, and a wall, and a clock, sorry. On the right side of the room you have this washing area for your clothes, some laundry bags, and here you have switch for water heater and light. So this is the washroom. I'll just turn on the lights so you can see how beautiful it is. Here you get essential things like shampoo and all, and this is the big mirror. Now let's check out the bedroom. So this is the 1 BHK Airbnb. So this is the beautiful bedroom we have, and you get some space for work, a chair and a mirror, and here you have a beautiful bed, and of course complimentary towels and some slipper, and you get a wardrobe, a big wardrobe. So here you can keep your clothes. I've kept my bag here. And also a lot of space for your stuff here. So this is the third wardrobe. It is having a locker, so if you want to use locker, you can use this. So let me know in the comment section, did you like the room?